Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to turn off and disable text-to-speech mode on your Chromebook. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the launcher menu, and you want to search for settings. Best result, should come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. On the left panel, go down and select accessibility. And then on the right side, underneath accessibility, select where it says text-to-speech. And then any of these items up here that are toggled to the right to enable, go ahead and just toggle them to the left to turn them off. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.